I made a few adjustments. I got back in the game. We were always in the game, but we were mindful of the fact that we didn't want to concede a second goal. And we did, and that set us back somewhat. But the case, he never said that attitude in the last, right down to the minute. We were always scraping and getting half chances, and we just hoping that one would come, and it came. And it was from something that we practiced, you know, they were cutting inside and shoot, and thank God we got first.
Right, boys are very leggy though, coach. How you regroup from this?
Yeah, the good thing about it, we have 7 days now. I was always concerned of how quickly the game's coming. I mean, the last one we played, we barely managed. We did everything to recover for this one, and in the end, the recovery process that we did helped us in the end. I saw a St. Catherine team, I mean, pulling up just like us. But the good thing about it, we have 7 days now and we can regroup and give them a rest. You know, they're very tired, very legged, as I said. But we have some time to regroup for the semi-final and Super Cup.
All right, coach.